They can change the sconce light. I think we have lighting pretty well for this, so we're just going to leave it the way it is. Now, if the customer gets this far and they decide they want to start over, they can come over and they can click Restore Original Settings, and that's going to take them back to the original settings that you sent them when they first opened Showroom. But we're going to leave it the way it is, and we're going to go on with this as if the customer has made these changes, and now they want to send it back to you with the changes made. So to do that, the customer is going to come over here, and you'll notice we have two save buttons. Our top button is to save the file as the SHW file, and our lower button will save it as a JPEG. And now we're going to go and we're going to save this as the return. We're going to save it on the desktop so it's easy to find, so we can attach it to our email. That's going to be saved. Okay, now the customer can also come in and print out for themselves, and they can use the toolbars here to turn and rotate, or they can use their mouse controls. On your mouse controls, and this works in ProKitchen 3D as well, if you hold down your left mouse button, you can move the layout back and forth, centered up on your screen. If you hold down your right mouse button and move your mouse, you get your rotate. They can zoom in, they can zoom out, they can move it sideways, rotate all the way around. But for now, they've done this. They're going to go back and email the layout to you. When you get the layout, open it up, open your Showroom, and open it in your Showroom, and you get to see what they've done. Now, to get this information into your ProKitchen, what you need to do is, because they've designed out the sample catalog, you need to go into your ProKitchen, find what's closest in your catalog line, and price it from there. And so we'll just do this real quick. I've got the design back in my Showroom, or my ProKitchen rather. Now they couldn't change any of the layout. As you notice, they could only change the colors and the door styles. They couldn't change the layout. They couldn't see any of the dimensions or the nomenclature. So they can't take it to your competitor and have them use it. So now that we're back here, we're going to open up our global specs. And I've designed this one in Wellborn. And to get that color, I know I'm going to have to be in the Premier Series. So I'm going to select that. It looks like a Bristol door style. So I'm going to select that. I know we've got the color, and we can pull our colors up over here. They show in our info panel. And if your info panel isn't turned on, go to View and turn your info panel on here. Dark charcoal, espresso, sable. Looks like I have a few choices. I think I'm going to use espresso. And now you can save this again as a Showroom file. Send it back to them. They're going to open it up and they'll get a 3D exactly like your 3D is. And there we have it. They can compare this picture with the picture that they sent you, see if it's close enough or if they need to make any further changes. Then from here, now that you already have it in ProKitchen, it's easy enough to go in and make a customer report and price it out for them. So as you've seen from this short tutorial, that ProKitchen Showroom program can be a program that can be very valuable in saving time that you spend with the customer, allowing them to spend their leisure time looking over the design and making the necessary changes that they want to make as far as colors and door styles go. Saves them trips to your showroom and also allows them to do it in the comfort of their own home. This in turn gives you the opportunity to spend more of your time working on other projects. So if you've liked what you've seen here and you want a chance to try out Showroom, give your salesperson a call. They'll send you the links to download. We also have written instructions that they can send you out. Give it a whirl, give it a try, and start using it with your customers. Thank you for being a valued ProKitchen customer.